Okay, when people ask for sugar,
Yeah.
okay, we need 1/3 of teaspoon. We have the entire. We should use scissors. I used to cook a lot of chicken, so I know how to treat them. There's a trick that you could Done. The end. I tell you, you know everything.
I'm there. Yeah, I got it from Japan. Yeah, I can bring them there.
kitchen is. Orange.
You're very welcome.
What is this?
Oh, this one is like no calorie. It's like no calorie, but like it's a vegetable made drink,
Okay.
made thing. Yeah, it used to be like no taste, but if you have something, you know, a stew or something, it'll be good.
Wow.
Everything is like different.
Better than the rest.
Oh wait.
Like the reason why I made this one the thing is because with the fried chicken, usually we will have like a sparkling
Okay.
alcohol kind of thing.
All right.
But I don't use alcohol because for your health, okay?
No.
Of course we have alcohol.
You can put lemon on it if you want.
I don't even need it. It's sweet.
This one is a little bit cold already, but the taste is still. Air fried, pan fried.
Okay.